Welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest of the Mall. Here we have one of our brand new units. This is a 2019 RX350 F Sport Series 3 in the Matador red mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle do include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, F Sport front grille, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front to rear park assist sensors, headlamp washer, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver seat memory seating, auto folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power lift gates, heads up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane keeping assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and backup camera, 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system, dual zone climate control, wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select with Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, heated rear seats, black interior, and of course comes with the legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.